In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Postgres to n8n using Supabase, and then we'll pull real data from a table live. First, inside n8n, click the plus button, search for Postgres, and drop the Postgres node onto your canvas. For the action, choose Select because we want instant proof that the connection works. Now, click Credentials and choose Create New. Next, open Supabase. Sign in, then click on your project. At the top of your project dashboard, click Connect. Now look for the connection method and switch it to Transaction Pooler. After that, click View Parameters. This is what we need. Copy the host, copy the user. Confirm the port is 6543 and the database is usually Postgres. Now go back to n8n and paste those values into the Postgres credentials. For the password, enter your Supabase database password. Click Save. Now watch this back in the Postgres node. Select your table like test n8n. Keep it on select and click Execute. In the Postgres node, choose Select Rows from a table, then pick your table. Mine is test n8n. Now click Execute Workflow. Look at that. On the left, you can see the logs showing the node ran successfully. And on the right, you can see the output, pulling real rows from the table ID, created at name, email, phone, everything. Now you can store workflow results, web form submissions, logs, and analytics in Postgres automatically, all through your n8n workflows. Subscribe for more n8n AI automation tutorials.